Get into a car with value. 2023 Nissan Leaf. This eco-minded Leaf is packed with features that let you enjoy efficiency, connectivity, comfort, and security. From its smooth all-electric power to its smart software to its comfy seats and driver assist safety tech, this sleek four-door hatchback is poised to make every drive a delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, fog lamps, premium sound system. Be the future in this eco-friendly Leaf. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.